While connecting to the database, we can increase the number of partitions. That's going to make n number of parallel connections to the database and read the data. We have to make sure while increasing the partition not to have too many number of parallel connections. That's going to kill the database and bring down the database. Let's see how to increase the number of partitions and control each of the partitions how to read the data. I'm going to open a Spark shell by providing the driver. So let me open the Spark shell and have reference to the driver. So this is the driver reference, the jar file. I'm going to make a database connection to the same database, that is employees database. Within that, I'm going to connect to the employees table. The only difference I'm going to make is I'm going to read with 10 partitions. Let me read the data and create a data frame. So I'm providing the host name, port, database, driver, and the table that I want to connect with, the username, password, and I'm mentioning you don't use SSL, and I'm mentioning number of partitions as 10, and the lower bound, minimum number of records to read and maximum number of records to read, and what is the column against which the partition needs to be done. So let me get into the web UI. I don't have any jobs that got executed. Let me connect to the database. Now I read the data, and the data frame is lazy, so it's not submitted the job yet. I'm going to display the values within this particular data frame. That's going to submit n number of jobs to get the result. So in total, it should have submitted 10 different tasks to process 10 different partitions. So 4 plus 1 plus 5. So why that many number of jobs? Spark going to take the decision based on the availability of the resources. So if we get into any of this, if we look into this particular result, the show event timeline. So 4 core processor I had, so 4 tasks got executed in parallel. If I get into this particular job, it should have got executed with 5 tasks, but only 4 tasks would have got executed in parallel because I have only 4 core processor. And since I have provided the upper bound and the lower bound, accordingly it should have read the records. Let me count how many records I have within it. So this would have submitted the task of counting, and 10 tasks got submitted, and these are all the tasks, these are all the execution times, and we can check the timeline. 4 tasks would have got executed at any point of time. This is because of the limitation we have within the hardware. This particular machine is having only 4 core processor. So by providing the options of number of partitions, I am able to control how many number of partitions and how many number of database connections should get established from the Spark to the RDBMS.